I want you to imagine something with me for a second. You wake up tomorrow morning, you check your bank account, and there it is. $20,000. Maybe it's a bonus from work. Maybe it's an inheritance. Maybe you've been grinding for 2 years and finally saved it up. Maybe you sold something. Doesn't matter how it got there. It's there. $20,000. Real money. Your money? Now here's the question that will define the next decade of your life. What do you do next? Because here's what I've seen happen. Over and over and over again. Person A gets $20,000. They celebrate. They buy something nice. They help out some friends. They take a trip they've been putting off. They feel amazing for about 4 months. Then the money's gone. Not invested, not grown, not working for them, just gone. And 3 years later, they're in the exact same financial position they were before they ever received that money. Person B also gets $20,000. Same amount, same starting point, but they know the rules. 3 years later, one you that $20,000 has become $60,000. They've started a business. They've eliminated their debt. They work on their own terms. They sleep without financial anxiety for the first time in their adult life. Same money, completely different outcome. The only difference? The rules. Today, for the next hour, I'm going to give you every single rule. This is the video I wish existed when I was broke and had no idea what to do with any amount of money. Stay with me the entire time, because the rule you skip might be the most important one for your specific situation. Let's go. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Mark, and this channel exists for one reason: to give you the honest, practical financial education that school never did. No fluff, no fake lifestyle content. No, I made $1 million last month. Clickbait. Just real strategies that real people can actually use. Today's video is one I've been building for a long time. The $20,000 rules. Why $20,000 specifically? Because it sits in this fascinating financial sweet spot. It's not lottery money, it's achievable. With a solid job, disciplined saving, or one good year, most Americans can realistically accumulate $20,000. But it's also not pocket change. It's enough to genuinely change the trajectory of your life, if you handle it correctly. Here's how today is structured. Before you touch a single dollar, your thinking has to change. Skip this and nothing else matters. The exact dollar-by-dollar breakdown of where this money should go. No vague advice. Specific numbers. How to make sure the money you build doesn't evaporate. This is where most people fail. What happens when you follow these rules for 3, 5, and 10 years? The math will shock you. Before we start, I want you to do one thing right now. Drop a comment. If $20,000 hit your account tomorrow, what's the very first thing you'd do with it? Honest answers only. I read every single comment, and I reply to as many as I can. All right, let's get into it. $20,000 just landed. Your next move. Do absolutely nothing for 48 hours? No investments, no purchases, no big decisions. Just breathe. Here's the neuroscience behind this rule. When something exciting happens, including receiving money, your brain floods with dopamine. The same chemical that fires when you eat great food, fall in love, or win a competition. Dopamine makes you feel invincible. It makes every idea seem like a great idea. It dramatically increases your confidence and dramatically decreases your caution. This is exactly the wrong state to make major financial decisions in. Behavioral economists have a name for this. Hot state decision making. And the research is consistent. Decisions made in a hot state are statistically worse than decisions made in a neutral state. You need 48 hours for your brain to cool down. During those 48 hours, do this one exercise. Get a piece of paper. Answer 3 questions in writing. 1. What are my 3 biggest financial goals right now? 2. What do I want this $20,000 to look like 5 years from today? 3. What is the single biggest financial risk or problem in my life right now? That's it. Write those answers down. Put the paper somewhere you'll see it. Then on hour 49, when you're in a neutral, clear-headed state, start making moves. That 48-hour pause could easily be the difference between a decision that cost you $10,000 and one that makes you $40,000. I need to challenge something most of us have believed since we were kids. Our culture has given us a completely broken definition of what being rich means. We grew up watching movies, and I need to start here because without the right mindset, every tactical rule I give you in part 2 is useless. I've watched people follow perfect financial strategies and still end up broke. Because their thinking was broken. Fix the thinking first. Everything else follows. When $20,000 arrives, celebrate. Genuinely, you deserve it. But you get exactly 24 hours. Let me explain why this rule exists. There's a documented psychological phenomenon called sudden wealth syndrome.